Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are here with another unboxing for Boxycharm. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, and it's based in the US. It is $21 in the US. However, if you order it in Canada, it comes to about $29 or so. If you take a 3-month subscription together with the currency exchange, what I paid for was about $79. So let's get on to it. It comes with 5 full-size products. Let's get into the box and I'll talk about it as we get along. So it comes in a standard cardboard packaging, and I love it how they always see the charmer there. It's always very well packaged with like soft sponge and things like that. So let's get on to it, and we do have the info card over here, and the theme for this month is Life of the Party, and that is because the star of this time's Boxycharm is Laura Lee Los Angeles Party palette. So these are the shades. Mind you, they are extremely vibrant, extremely pigmented. I already did looking at there. Let's just let you peek through the colors. So it comes with 6 very vibrant colors. It's a beautiful palette. I'm not a big fan of this palette because I do have to carry something else if I wanted to create a look, and I don't wear these vibrant colors on a regular basis, so I do have to use lower lash line color or something like that. But for people who use it, it's amazing. The price of this one is $19 US. The next product that I have is from House of Lashes, and this is in the shade this is in the variant Bambi. Now, I am not a big fan of false lashes, and I do not wear false lashes often. The other variants for the Boxycharm was if you didn't get lashes, you got primer, you got something else from Becca. Let me know in the comment section what you got and if you really enjoy what you got. Just because I'm not a lash person, I'm not too excited about this product, but I've heard amazing things about it. Maybe it's finally time to give it a try. We shall see. And the cost of this one is $9 to $12. The next thing I have is from Adesi, and this one is can't see it. This one is a cuticle oil, nail and cuticle oil, and this is something I was excited for because I ran out of one. I was using a Body Shop almond one, and it comes in a packaging like this. I was gonna buy one, so it's great that Boxycharm came up with it. I didn't buy it because I saw it was coming in a sneak peek. So this one retails for $18. $18 is very expensive for nail and cuticle oil, but I did apply it once. It smells good, very similar to the Body Shop one. I'm not sure if it does anything amazing. We shall find out, and I'll let you know if you want a detailed review of it. So that's that. The next thing I got is from Bang Beauty, and this one is interesting. It's a colored eyeliner. Now, if you've already seen my colored eyeliner video, I'll link it somewhere in the icons up there. I love colored eyeliners, and after this I'm going to shoot a video for my liquid colored eyeliners. So this is how it looks. It's in the shade Chocolate, and a lot of people are saying they want to use it like eyebrow pomade, but feels quite creamy. I like the packaging. It's beautiful, but I'm not going to use it like an eyebrow pomade. It will be a little light for me. I will use it like a gel eyeliner, and I can also use it as a wash of color for my eyelids. I like doing that too. It's a beautiful brown color. So this one retails for $22 US. So I'm excited to use this one actually. The next exciting thing that I did receive is from Wonder Beauty, and we have 3 baggage claim gold eye masks. I have been developing some dark circles under my eyes. It's my work schedule, and today also right now I felt a little tired. Please excuse me. I just came back from work, and I thought I got this in the mail today. I thought let's quickly shoot a video and give you guys a video, especially my Canadian, Calgarian friends out there who want to know what's coming in Boxycharm for them. So I'm excited to try these ones, and I can let you know how they perform if you want me to. And this one retails for $13. I'm not sure if I mentioned the Bang Beauty eyeliner costs $22. $22 is very expensive for a gel eyeliner. I agree, so it better be really good. The last thing I got is from Smashbox. Now Smashbox collaborated with Boxycharm, and everybody in their boxes receives some sort of Smashbox product. The one I received is a Be Legendary lipstick. I'm not a big fan of Be Legendary lipsticks. I personally prefer matte lipsticks. I do have Smashbox lipsticks and I love them. However, it is a very beautiful brownish pinkish kind of nude. Looks like this. So I do like this lipstick, but personally I prefer matte lipsticks. That's why I wasn't too excited about it. A lot of people have also got a lipstick palette. I'm not a palette person, but I personally wanted the matte lipstick. So that's all for this month's Boxycharm. Frankly speaking, this was not one of my favorite months because the things I didn't want actually ended up coming to me. I did not want a Be Legendary lipstick this month. I did not want the lashes. I wanted the Becca primer, and I also wanted some sort of other lipstick variant, and I got both of them. So this was not my favorite month. Laura Lee Los Angeles, I do follow her. I do like her palette, but like I said, it's not an all-in-all palette. I would have preferred if one of the other palettes were in the Boxycharm, but hey, it's Boxycharm, and the overall value for this month is somewhere around $89 or $85. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys have got something else in your Boxycharms. If you guys would like to me to review any of the products, please leave that in the comment section below. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for future video notifications. I do make videos once a week, and like my videos, and until next time, bye.